It is the 3rd of January 2026, the first Sabbath also of the year, and I'm out here in AUP walking around. I haven't vlogged like for the past 2 days, just sleeping around, and yeah, so today I decided to make a vlog about the new year. So what's happening in new year and stuff like that. I need a place for it to sit. Okay, I couldn't find any place that is like quiet because it's so windy outside and there's like a lot of wind noises. So I found this place. Hopefully it's quiet. I have to find out on the editing, post production. But anyway, 2026, I don't have anything like planned, like New Year resolution or future endeavors plan, something like that. I think 2025 really hit me up and threw me out to 2026. So I'm just casually moving forward on 2026 without any plan so whatsoever. So I think everything that I've covered in 2025, it's enough for me to move forward to 2026. So I'm just gonna let that keep the old resolution from last year moving forward. So literally have nothing planned. This is the Galip nut. That's the Galip tree. And yeah, that's the Galip nut right over there. I usually come here every Sabbath since last year to just collect them and crack and eat. I think I made several videos about me cracking these nuts. God, it's Sabbath. I need to stop with my dirty brains. Yeah, so I'm gonna collect few of these, crack it up, eat it, and then continue with the vlog, I hope. Why I always keep saying I hope when I know that I'm gonna actually vlog? Yeah, I'm gonna collect these nuts first. Yeah, I got a few. There's more there, but just gonna turn off the camera and collect it. My memory is kind of full. So yeah, the wind noises are really loud outside, so thank God I have to come back here. Anyway, speaking of that, not that the wind, but what I have planned for this year, I literally have nothing planned for this year for that matter, because I don't know. 2026 is my like layback kind of here. I'm gonna just play what's in front of me and move on from here. So like I feel like I have nothing to change in my life, even though I have a lot of stuff to change, but not this year. I'm just gonna continue what I've started last year and move on forward. So probably learn from several mistakes from that on and move on, trying to fix some stuff that I did and move on from that. So yeah, I seriously have nothing to say about this vlog because yeah, nothing. So it'll be a good year to this year. Very good year, 2026. So I hope you guys have your own New Year resolution that you can have on and lead on. It's always good to have something planned ahead, so it helps you focus and help you take a step forward to accomplish certain stuff in a year, but not for me this year. So yeah, anyway, it might get longer and awkward every time I talk. So yeah, 2026 will be the year where it's my layback here, continue from what I've left last year moving forward. So happy new year and a very prosperous new year for all of us. See you on the next one.